Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just got off of work. I work on the river. Some of y'all know what I do, a lot of y'all don't. I'm a tugboat captain on the Mississippi River. And I brought my little pole with me today. Gonna go catch some of these white bass. But if this is your first time here, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button or the like button or comment below. Let me know what you think. But look at that. They don't look very big, but we're gonna see if we could catch some. A little baby. Got a whole bunch of them.
I mean, what the fuck? What type of setup you got like that?
A sabiki rig.
Wow, that's crazy.
We'll try over here in this corner. See if there's anything different about this crew boat over here. There we go. A little bit bigger. They're growing. Oh, I dropped them. Tried to get a picture. Oh, right there. Oh, that was a nice one. That was a nice one. There we go. There we go. I got a skipjack. Look at it. Catfish bait. I'm gonna leave it right there. See if we can catch a couple more. They're out in that deeper water. I had 2 of them on there. Oh, look at that gar. Look, I got another little one. Oh, get back. Right there. Another skipjack. Decent size. Try to get a picture. Look at him. Skipjack. Look, they missing it. Got him. They're everywhere. What's up?
Yesterday morning there was like piranhas right here. Motherfucking sabiki.
Yep. That little tiny sabiki.
Yeah, what is that you catch?
Skipjack. Catfish bait.
Oh, yes, exactly what the fuck that
Yep.
Yeah, fucking shit. Oh shit. What you do? You cut them up?
Yeah, cut them.
You make jugs?
No, just cast them.
Yeah.
There we go. Got them. I don't have an ice chest. Got a grocery bag. My camera fell. Try to fix it. Brought the wrong stand. Yeah. Oh, we got him. It's a smaller one. Might let him go. He's a little, if I could hold on to him. There's bigger ones. Got him. Got him. Oh, he came off just in time. This is a shad, it looks like. No, that's a bigger one. That's a big skipjack. Almost looks like a tarpon, but it's not. Got him. Got another one. Got bugs all on my face. Oh look, we got one. It was just sitting there. Ow! There, that'll be the last one. That's gonna be it. You get a picture with the phone. Alright y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I caught a few for the freezer. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.